Hello guys, Stuff93 here, and today I'd like to give you a tutorial on the basics of HTML. This video is not here to make you an expert, but it will go over the basic structure of HTML and how it all works, and we'll give you a general idea, and hopefully you can build your knowledge after watching this video. So I'm going to dig right into this. So we're going to start by opening our document up with an HTML tag, and what this will do is tell the browser that this is an HTML document that it is reading. Some of you may be familiar with a doc type. However, we're not doing any sort of advanced formatting that would require a specific doc type to be listed. So for the purpose of this tutorial, just open your document with an HTML tag. So next we've got the head. And contained within our head is the information about the website. There are several different more advanced things you can put in here. However, for the basics, we're just going to be including the title. So, as you can see how I've got this structured, this here is an element. And an element consists of, generally, your opening tag, your content, and your closing tag. And as you can see, the only difference between the opening and the closing tag is there is a / located at the beginning of it. And not all of our elements will be like this. We'll see specifically the image element today that isn't like that. However, most of them will be structured exactly this way. So next we've got the body. And contained in the body is all the stuff that you'll see on your web page, your images, your text, all of that stuff. So we're going to start by inserting a heading. There are 6 main headings, H1 through H6. H1 is your biggest heading, and H6 is your smallest heading. So I'm going to put a nice big H1 heading up at the top, and we're just going to say my website. Again, you will close this one with a closing tag. So now we've got our heading. Let's say we want to insert a paragraph beneath that telling about the website. So we can insert a P tag here for our paragraph and then type our content. Hello, welcome to my website. Enjoy your stay. And then we will close it. So now let's take a look at our web page and see how things are coming along. As you may notice, we have our body and our HTML tags that haven't been closed, and those both do need to be closed. So you can go down here and close those with the /, as you can see. So now we will save it so that it can be viewed within a web browser. So to do this, we will go File, Save As. We will stick it in our website folder, and then we can name it website, or whatever you'd like to name it, and then .html afterwards, and change this Save As type to All Files, and then you can hit Save. And this will make it so that when we go to view the site, it will be accessible by the web browser. And as you can see, we've got our My Website title, we've got our heading, and we've got our paragraph. So now let's add an image to make things a little more interesting. So now we will be adding an image to our website. So we will start by opening it up with an img tag, which is for an image. However, the image is what is known as a void element, meaning it doesn't have a closing tag. So what we will do is give the image tag, and then we need to add an attribute. In this case, it'll be the src attribute, which tells where the image is located. You can put the image anywhere. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll just be showing you how to display the image if it's in the same folder that you've got your website document stored in. So what you will do is you'll type src equals, and then you will give the path to where the image is located inside of quotes. So if it's in the same folder, you can simply type the name of the file. In my case, it's just the image is called image, and then you put the type of file it is. This is a JPEG, so .jpg. And then to close this, you will actually just add a / like such. So now we can open up our website, and as you can see, our image is displayed. However, this picture is massive, it takes up the whole page. So I will show you now that you can add a width, and for that, after the src, you will type width equals, and then again in the quotes, and you can give it in pixels or percentages. In this case, I'll make it 250 pixels. And I will show you what that does. It will shrink our image down. You can also assign a height if you would like, if you want to stretch the image. However, I will just be keeping it at that. So now we will be focusing on lists. And lists are pretty cool because later on when you learn more about HTML and CSS, you can style your lists to make navigation bars and all sorts of cool stuff. But for today, I'll just be showing you two basics lists. These are the ordered list and the unordered list. So an ordered list starts out with an OL tag, and then inside of your list, you will use LI elements, and LI stands for list item. So I can, in an ordered list out some items. Let's just name some animals off. And again, you'll want to open and close each of these tags. You will want to open and close each element. You want opening and closing tags. So something like that, and then you will close the OL. So now we can view that, and as you can see, ordered list, it's got numbers next to each of the things in your list. So another one is called the unordered list, and this is using UL. And the unordered list is the same basic formatting. However, you just use UL instead of OL. And once I show you in the web browser, try type it up, you will see that the unordered list by default goes to bullet points. So that about wraps it up for this tutorial on the basics of HTML. Hope you all learned something today, and hopefully you'll be able to take this knowledge and build upon it. And thank you for watching. Have a great day. Peace out.